Bank.
Bank.
I put my money in the bank.
I put my money in the bank.
Supermarket.
Supermarket.
We buy food at the supermarket.
We buy food at the supermarket.
Hospital.
Hospital.
The doctor works at the hospital.
The doctor works at the hospital.
School.
School.
The children go to school every morning.
The children go to school every morning.
Library.
Library.
I read books in the library.
I read books in the library.
Park.
Park.
They walk their dog in the park.
They walk their dog in the park.
Post office.
Post office.
She sends letters from the post office.
She sends letters from the post office.
Bus stop.
Bus stop.
We wait for the bus at the bus stop.
We wait for the bus at the bus stop.
Train station.
Train station.
The train leaves the train station at 8 o'clock.
The train leaves the train station at 8 o'clock.
Airport.
Airport.
He travels by plane from the airport.
He travels by plane from the airport.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
We eat pizza at the restaurant.
We eat pizza at the restaurant.
Cafe.
Cafe.
She drinks coffee at the cafe.
She drinks coffee at the cafe.
Hotel.
Hotel.
They sleep at the hotel when they visit the city.
They sleep at the hotel when they visit the city.
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
I buy medicine at the pharmacy.
I buy medicine at the pharmacy.
Police station.
Police station.
The police work at the police station.
The police work at the police station.
Fire station.
Fire station.
Firefighters work at the fire station.
Firefighters work at the fire station.
Museum.
Museum.
We see old paintings in the museum.
We see old paintings in the museum.
Cinema.
Cinema.
They watch a movie at the cinema.
They watch a movie at the cinema.
Bakery.
Bakery.
She buys bread from the bakery.
She buys bread from the bakery.
Church.
Church.
People pray in the church.
People pray in the church.
Playground.
Playground.
The kids play on the playground.
The kids play on the playground.
Shopping mall.
Shopping mall.
We buy clothes at the shopping mall.
We buy clothes at the shopping mall.
Gas station.
Gas station.
He fills the car at the gas station.
He fills the car at the gas station.
Barbershop.
Barbershop.
I cut my hair at the barbershop.
I cut my hair at the barbershop.
Hair salon.
Hair salon.
She gets her hair styled at the hair salon.
She gets her hair styled at the hair salon.
Gym.
Gym.
She exercises at the gym.
She exercises at the gym.
Water park.
Water park.
The kids play in the water park.
The kids play in the water park.
Bar.
Bar.
They drink juice at the bar.
They drink juice at the bar.
Zoo.
Zoo.
We see lions and elephants at the zoo.
We see lions and elephants at the zoo.
Stadium.
Stadium.
Fans watch football at the stadium.
Fans watch football at the stadium.